Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rotate the photo in the Lightroom app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit and rotate. Now here we can find the option of crop. Now simply select it. And then here we can find the option of rotate button. Now go ahead and tap on it. Now here we can see the photo has been rotated. Now adjust the photo however you like it and enjoy editing. And that's it. This is how you can rotate the photo using the Lightroom app on your mobile phone. It is a very simple and easy process, right? Now keep on editing the photos and make it professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.